Wadhi kaunti ma Kisumu, jonaw rech e yo manyasani mong'ere kaka fish cage farming koro dhi yudo fuong'ruok bang' gavana ma Kisumu Anyang Nyong'o golo kony mar nyithind rech ma nengogi dirom siling milion 2 kod chiemb rech maromo siling milion 1 ma ibiro bang' rech tho e nam Lolwe kaluwore gi lokruok mar kor lwasi kod chido mar nam. Nyong'o bende nochiwo thoth okenge ma tend kaunti dhi kawo mar neno ni alwora mar nam Lolwe orito yo makare, ka bende ogolo siem ne ji mosebedo ka chido nam.
And we shall continue indeed to work with all the partners in the lake to deal with this pollution and to ensure that it's reduced drastically to ensure the health environment in the lake. I wish to issue fresh instructions to entities mandated with environmental safety and safeguards to round up and prosecute individuals and owners of factories polluting our water bodies. It is high time we came up with tougher legislations, both in the national and county assemblies, to deal with environmental pollution. While Lake Victoria is a victim of industrial runoff upstream, I also wish to instruct officers of the Department of Environment to tighten surveillance to ensure compliance by local industries. But we have some short-term and long-term solutions I want to refer to. One, we will procure fingerlings worth 2 million shillings and fish feed worth 1 million shillings to be distributed to the affected fish farmers in the mentioned beaches to help them restock and recover the losses. These are mainly the cage farmers who have experienced extreme losses of their fish during this time. We want to engage stakeholders on how to save Lake Victoria. This initiative will be championed by the County Department of Water and Environment.